$35 a week with pad slip.
The needle is dry, it's not coming out the needle, which is where it needs to go to get into this pod where the coffee is dry. It's coming out of this one, going down into this device here. Which does nothing but drain into the basket through these side channels here, and then comes out the bottom, which is clear, by the way. Alright, so what happens when you hit bold? Does that make a difference? Let's see. It's putting water out. Just water, of course. Oops. Starting to do more water. I'm not sure what their bold function actually does, but it's, you can hear it brewing now. It's you know, putting more water through. It's heating. You can hear it gurgling as it goes up the tube in the back, which I've discovered the water does come up this, there appears to be this rubber tube, maybe? That's the way I can only think of the water getting into this top piece. It must be like a straw, a rubber straw that's flexible so that it can get to this top box. And interesting, it is brewing coffee, but you can see it leaking. And that's really, really hot. There's no seal here. So bold is definitely storing this water up in here. So it looks like it's still coming out that same hole, trying to go into that orifice there. But again, nothing coming through the needle, which is where it should be coming. So I'm not sure why nothing's coming through the needle anymore. But I did get, you know, weak coffee because it did go down through the sides of the basket instead of through the top, which is where, you know, water should be flowing through that down into the coffee. So right now it's only just wetting the coffee grounds that are on the bottom of this pod here, or basket.
This is the first brew with this. And I don't know why it's taking so long, but maybe it's because it's its first brew. I'll have to brew a few more before I can do an honest review of this. And this one's on 10 ounces of hot brew. I just turned it on, 10 ounces hot brew. It started rather quickly though, I will say that. And the fact of the matter is sometimes when it brews slower, you get a more robust coffee because you're not just slamming water through that pod. So you get a little bit more flavor. But I'll keep brewing a few more of these and we'll go from there. I'll figure it out.
I got this K-Cup or coffee maker. It makes iced coffee and it makes hot coffee. And real excited about getting to use it. Has a recipe book that comes with it, and boy, I'll tell you, the recipe book will starve you. As you can see, it's some beautiful recipes. An instruction manual, 1-year warranty. Comes with this cup filter, which is to make, like, I think more coffee. I don't really quite get that one, but I did figure out that you got to lock this K-cup in there. And then my regular old, as you can see, very well used K-cup goes right there. This pops down, snaps, well it did snap in, I don't have it locked in, there we go. And then here's the buttons you push. It has stuff on top there to tell you what to do. So it's a really nice little pot.